Hi guys, it's me Millie, and I'm gonna sing a song called um I Believe I Can Fly, so just type it in. Just part of it,
Women have made it the #1 selling anti-aging cream undeniably.
I'm sorry.
Unbelievably, a $500 cream. And now women have made Regenerist microsculpting cream, also unscented. Women love it in original and also fragrance-free.
Yeah. You like my braid? I need it myself. I think I might braid this one. I used to think that I could not go on, and life was nothing but an awful song. But now I know the meaning of true love. I'm leaning on the everlasting arms. If I can see it, then I can do it. If I just believe it, then I can do it. It's like, I believe I can fly, and I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night and day. Just spread my wings and fly away. I believe I can soar. You see me running through that open door. I believe I can fly, and I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. Hope you like it. Bye.